Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this pencil candy holder. It's a Ferrero chocolate container, but you can also remove the container inside. Then instead of Ferrero, place another gift that fits inside a box. Again, this is Yeni's creation and this file can be found on Etsy. I'll put the Etsy link in the description box below. I've also previously made 2 tutorials using her files, the Easter Bunny candy holder and graduation candy holder, both with opening mechanisms. I'll also put the links to those tutorials in the description box. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, and then Browse. I have the pencil box folder saved on my desktop, so I'm going to click that. And then from here, you'll see there are 2 instructions, one in English and one in Spanish. Now we need the SVG file, so I'm going to click the SVG folder. And then from here, you can choose 3 different sizes of the box. The small size, which can fit 5 Ferreros, the medium fits 6 Ferreros, and the large one fits 9 Ferreros. In this tutorial, I'm going to make the small one, so I'm going to click that and then click Open, and then click Upload, and then click the file that we just uploaded and then add to Canvas. I'm just going to zoom it out so we can see the whole file. And then while the file is still selected, I'm going to click on Group. And then there's a note here from the creator of the file. After you're done reading it, you can delete it. Click the file again and then click on Group. Now click this and then click on Group. And then you can delete the note. And then I'll do the same thing to this one. So I'm going to click this and then click on Group. And then delete the text. Now you will only need one of these 2 sets of strips. The only difference between these 2 is that for this one with the dotted lines, you don't need any scoring tool. The machine will just cut the line so that it's easier for you to fold it. For this one, on the other hand, if you prefer to use a scoring tool or stylus, you can use this one instead. In the next few minutes, I'll teach you how to change the operation from basic cut to score lines. Now I'm just going to move this set of strips with dotted lines out of the way, and then select this piece, and then click on Group. And then repeat this step until you get all the pieces ungrouped. Now we are going to ungroup the letters and numbers. So click the first strip and then click Ungroup. And then repeat this step for all the strips. Now select the numbers and letters and then delete them. And if you select the piece like so, and if you look on the layers panel, you will see that these 3 are highlighted. We will need just these 2 selected. If you're using a Mac or MacBook, hold down the Command key. And while you're holding it down, select these 2. On the other hand, if you're using Windows, hold down the Control key and then select these 2. And then click this drop down. Then click Score. And then select the first piece. And make sure that these 3 are highlighted. And then click Attach, and then repeat this step until we get all the lines changed to score. And that's how we change the operation from basic cut to score. And now going back to our file, we need to remove all the letters and the numbers. So click that and then ungroup. And then delete this. And then repeat this step to this one. And while holding down the Command or the Control key of your keyboard, select these numbers and then click Delete. And then delete the rest of the letters and numbers on the Layers panel. I'm not going to use any scoring tool in this project, so I'm just going to use these strips with the dotted lines. So I'm just going to delete this. And since I'm going to make both feminine and masculine versions of this project, I will need 2 of these. So while the strips are selected, I'm going to click Duplicate. And we will also need another copy of these 4 pieces. So while these 4 are selected, click Duplicate. Now, if you just want to do one version, let's say you just want to do the feminine version, you will just need these sets. And if you just need the masculine version, you just need these 3 sets. Now, if you look on the Layers panel, you will notice that these ones that say Basic Cut are only grouped and not attached to the piece. They are the dotted lines and they're supposed to be attached to the piece. So what we are going to do is, while they're still selected, click Attach. And then repeat this step to the other piece. Now we're good to go. We can now click Make It. Now I'm going to use 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock for this project. So I'm going to change all my mats material size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Now for my mat number 3, I noticed that I can still fit this piece into mat number 2. So I'm going to click these 3 dots and then click Move Object. And then click mat number 2 and then confirm. So I'm going to move this piece to mat number 9. Now click Continue. And then click Medium Cardstock. And I always adjust the pressure to more. I'm going to use Aleene's Tacky Glue for this project. Now these two pieces look the same, but one is slightly bigger than the other. So the bigger one, we need to use it as the base. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Ses. Thanks for watching!